Hi guys, I would like to introduce you AutoCAD 2017, and this is a basic interface of AutoCAD. You can see the documents in preview video where as a list or as diagrams. How to create a project in millimeters in metric system and in inches I will show you in the next minutes. The first what you have to do, go to the top button, new. Autocad ISO, it's a metric project. It's a template for metric project. When you create, open, and you see when you type UN, you can check it's in millimeters. It's a default settings. You can also change to architectural, engineering, or decimals. And there is also a scale for metric system from 1 to 100, but you can use a custom scale, which I will show you in the next video. How to save this? Save as, and in your folder AutoCAD. And you have options to save in previous. Based on my personal experience, I would recommend you to save in 2000. AutoCAD 2000 metric. Okay, how to create a project in inches in Imperial system. Again, new, AutoCAD, open. And the same, save as, Imperial. Save. As you see, you have also a scale for inches. How to check if you create that project in inches? Type UN, inches. You can also choose architectural or decimal. There is another way how to check the units. Instead of typing UN, you can go here, drawing utilities, units. The same. Okay, in the next video I will show you how to create a classical workspace for any AutoCAD. If you like this video, please place a subscribe, and I will upload new videos. Okay, bye.